Wow, this is wild. Players, Hopeless Hawley and his Stepford wife. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Players, please, y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat, honey, because the calls are coming in for Hopeless Hawley's Stepford wife to be sanctioned, and also for Hopeless Hawley to give up the royalties from that manhood book to pay back the state of Missouri. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. On Friday, Hopeless Hawley exercised his Twitter fingers to decree and declare a major victory for free speech and religious liberty. And he also said that he was proud of his wife, Erin, who litigated the case. He's referring to the Supreme Court's decision to back a web designer who opposed same-sex marriage. As we know, honey, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of a web designer who refused to serve a same-sex couple because of her religious beliefs. So now that people have had an opportunity to take a closer look at the Supreme Court decision, they are calling for Josh Hawley's wife to be sanctioned. She litigated the case. Honey, it done came out in the Washington Narration that a man named in the Supreme Court's ruling had nothing to do with it. So the whole basis for this lawsuit is that this web designer received an inquiry in September of 2016 from a same-sex couple, Stuart and Mike, to build a wedding website. The web designer named a man named Stuart and included the website service request from him and listed his phone number and his email in the court documents. But hunty, according to Stewart, who did not give his last name, he said that he was unaware that his name was even invoked in the lawsuit until he was contacted last week by a reporter. He denied that he even made the request in the first place. He told the Associated Press that he's been happily married to a woman for the last 15 years, and he's also a web designer himself, so he could have designed his own website. He never made the inquiry. So now, honey, the Christian legal advocacy group Alliance Defending Freedom, who filed the initial case, is trying to backpedal and pussy pop out of it. They have denied that the request from Stewart was fabricated, but suggested it could have been a troll making it. Hopeless Hawley said that his Stepford wife litigated the case and she's senior counsel at ADF, and people are saying, honey, that she should be sanctioned. One Twitter user wrote, once again, Christian conservatives have to lie to get their way because their agenda is fundamentally repugnant. Also last week, a Cole County judge ordered that the state of Missouri pay $240,000 for sunshine law violations. Back in 2018, Hopeless Hawley's Attorney General's office refused to turn over public records out of concern for his Senate campaign. They also found that Josh Hawley's office was communicating public business on private email accounts. So they're asking for Hawley to apologize and donate proceeds from his manhood book to cover the bill.